So I wanted to talk today about how to use Instagram to grow your YouTube channel. This is a very complicated subject. I previously made a video maybe a couple months ago, maybe in January, about how to use TikTok to grow your YouTube channel. That's a lot simpler of a process. For TikTok, all you have to do is make videos, publish videos, as many videos as you can. If you can make 7 videos a day, make 7 videos a day. Make them every hour. Just post a video every hour on TikTok, and that's really simple. TikTok's a lot simpler of a process to use. I recently lost my smartphone because my food stamps are shut off because my governor is a piece of garbage, so I lost my food stamps. So I have to use Instagram instead of TikTok now to grow my YouTube channel. And I have to focus on using Instagram every hour rather than TikTok every hour. Instagram can work. Will it work as well as TikTok? I don't know. I have a computer. I don't have a smartphone, and you need a smartphone to do TikTok, preferably. Instagram does work. Instagram does work to grow your channel, and it's not particularly hard, and it doesn't particularly take that much time. It is more mentally challenging more than it is like time consuming or physically challenging. First of all, you have to figure out what you want. That's the biggest question, is what do you want to follow on Instagram? And I would just follow as many people as you can of what type of account you're looking to follow on Instagram, whether that's art, whether that's a piece of beauty, whether that's a fan fiction, whatever that is, you just follow it on Instagram. And what I would do is you follow 9 accounts every hour on Instagram. Let me repeat that again. You follow 9 accounts every hour. You don't follow more than 10 accounts every hour because Instagram will suspend your account if you're following too many accounts on there. And you don't want to follow too many per hour, because too many too quickly, because then they'll suspend your account. But as long as you don't follow more than 9 an hour, Instagram will not suspend your account. Meta will not suspend your account if you're not following more than 9 an hour. Even 10 an hour would be okay. I decided to keep it to 9 in case they ever change their rules. I'd rather be 1, because 10 is really what they. 10, you can probably do 10 an hour, but if they ever change it from 10 to 9, I want to be ahead of the curve. If they ever change the rules to make it so you can't follow as many people, I want to be ahead of that curve. Here's the thing. Okay, let me break it down like this. You have to mentally decide what the hard part is. Mentally deciding what do you want to follow that many accounts of. What do you want out of life that you want to see over and over and over again on your Instagram feed? And I can't tell you that. I can't tell you what you want to see on your Instagram feed. What I can tell you is it does slightly grow your YouTube channel, and as long as it's something you want to see on a regular basis, then you'll feel better about yourself as long as you're seeing it. But I'll tell you one thing: it does. If you're like it's mentally taxing to see. It's mentally taxing to spend that much time on Instagram and to follow that many accounts, and it's not easy in the same way making a TikTok video every hour isn't easy. The good news is you don't have to. You have to talk on a TikTok video. For Instagram, you don't have to talk. The whole process should take about 5 minutes to just find 9 accounts to follow and then click follow for those 9 accounts. The process should take about 5 minutes every hour. Okay. Most of those people who run those accounts are not going to click on your YouTube channel. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot this other thing. You need a link to your YouTube channel on the top of your Instagram account. I don't know if you want pictures, if you want 1,000,000 pictures of whatever on your Instagram account. All I know is on the description of your channel, you need a link. Say, this is my YouTube channel. Click it to see whatever I'm doing on my YouTube channel. You need a description of that on the top of your Instagram account. And then if you want a bunch of pictures on your Instagram account, you can do that too. But that's extracurricular. You don't need the extracurricular stuff. You need a link to your YouTube channel in the description of your Instagram account, so that when people see that you followed them on Instagram, they can click on you and click to see, oh, you're a YouTuber. Oh, you're a vlogger. You're doing this. So then then they'll go to your YouTube channel. Okay, so that's how they see you. You follow them. They click on your They click on your Instagram account and they see you're going to you're doing vlogs and you're a YouTuber, so they'll go to your YouTube channel and they'll watch 10 seconds of one of your videos. And you might say, oh, 10 seconds of one of my videos, that's not really going to help. Actually, if they watch 10 seconds of one of your videos, it does help, because every little boost of that little segment really helps your YouTube channel. Every time someone watches 2 seconds of it, it actually helps. You might think, oh, they're watching for such a short period of time, the average view duration is so short, that it's actually hurting you, that they're, oh, your view duration is average view time is going down. You know what? No, it actually helps. Every time you get a view, it actually helps. Even if it's a very short amount of time that they're watching for, it actually helps. So back to the subject of this video, how do you use Instagram to grow your YouTube channel? This is, I kind of hate spending that much time on Instagram. I don't like Instagram. I don't like spending time on there. But if you think about the alternative for things you could be doing as a job, spending time on Instagram is not the worst place to spend your free time if you want to work. Is it the greatest place in the world? No. Does it make you depressed? Yes. It will make you depressed spending 5 minutes every hour, however many hours you want to do that for, on Instagram a day. Instagram will make you depressed. You're not going to enjoy those 5 minutes. There's not going to be 5 minutes of, yay, I'm on Instagram. No, it's 5 minutes of absolute hassle. It's an absolute hassle to be on there for 5 minutes every hour. It just is. And to follow to first find 9 people and then actually click follow for those 9 people, it's a hassle. Because you've got to ask yourself, just like the old Buddhist principle, Zen Buddhism, what do you want? What do you want to follow? And it's going to take you a while to think about what type of accounts you want to follow that you actually enjoy. See, the thing about this is you will enjoy it if you actually think about what you want to see on a regular basis, like whether it's photography or art or travel pictures or sports stuff or cooking. When you add, it's the hardest part about Instagram doing this is thinking about what you want to see on a constant basis all day long. And it's depressing to the process of thinking about what you want to see is depressing, and the going through it is depressing, and I get tired. I get physically tired thinking about doing this on Instagram. It is a tiresome process. It is a grueling work, and I don't enjoy it. And honestly, if I had a better way of being employed, I would take that. If I had some skill set that was allowed me to be a banker or like a real estate agent or like a broker or like a teacher or like a construction worker, if I had some other skill set other than doing this Instagram following thing, I would do that. And I think the only people who are really trying to be YouTubers are people who aren't good enough to do other things. And there are people who, like Bill Maher and Joe Rogan, who are growing successful YouTube channels, even though they're super successful in other areas. And a lot of ways, it's foolish for people like me to try to compete with them because I don't have the skills that they have. What I do have is the work ethic. I do have the work ethic to try to build something greater than myself, greater than my natural charisma, my natural comedic skills, charismatic skills, whatever. I have the work ethic to try to grow something more. So what I do is spend time on Instagram, and I like to call this networking. Okay, so when you follow people, you network with them. They don't just sometimes click your YouTube videos, they also follow you on Instagram. People will follow, maybe not the person you followed will follow you back, but sometimes somebody else will see how many follows someone has, and they'll see that you follow them, and they'll follow your account. So this is where networking comes into play. So now, you're getting more and more followers on Instagram, which is awful. I personally find it awful to get followers on Instagram, but the more time you spend on Instagram, the more followers you will get on Instagram. And this is where it's depressing. I find it depressing to do this because I don't enjoy getting followers. I don't enjoy getting bigger. I don't enjoy getting too big for my britches. I don't enjoy seeing a lot of people on there. I don't enjoy being around other people. I think it's a mind-numbing experience to be around other people, and I do find Instagram better than being around other people in real life, but it's still perilous, and I just like there's like these people following me on Instagram, and that's just bloating up my head. It's like, oh well, people like me on Instagram, but you know what? That is unhealthy for me, for have my head bloated up like that and get so full of myself. And it is powerful. It's the problem with Instagram is not that it doesn't work. The problem with it is not that it doesn't grow your YouTube channel. The problem is that it does work. The reason people don't use Instagram for networking or marketing is because it does work, and people are afraid. Oh wow, you can network so easily. You can gain so much of a following. You can get so many views on YouTube, and it is. People don't use Instagram not because it doesn't work. People don't use Instagram because it does work. It does work for marketing. It works for socializing. It works for meeting people. And it's scary to think about, meeting some of these people for networking. And it's difficult. It is difficult to spend time on here and do this. And it's like, you think about it and you're like, I don't want to do this all day, and I don't. But you want to be employed. You understand? You want to be employed, so you have to put the depressing aspects of this to the back of your head, and you have to put the money making aspects in the front of your head. You've got to think, how can I make money? And spending time on Instagram is the best way for me to grow this YouTube channel. The quicker I can get this YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers, the better. Do I want to follow 9 people every hour for however many hours a day I want to do that? No, I don't want to do that. I'd rather be doing something else. I'd rather be doing something that is some common task that people do. I don't want to be a professional influencer. I don't want 1,000 Instagram followers. I don't want to be a trendsetter. I don't want to be a content creator. And that is the hard part about being a YouTuber or an Instagram personality. Any of this stuff is like, it takes so much confidence to do this. And like, Jesus Christ, like, I don't want to do this with my life. I don't want to spend my days doing this. And I think I'm gonna wrap this video up here because I don't want to make these videos last forever, but Instagram does work to grow your YouTube channel. And if you leave a link in your description and you follow people, a number of people every hour you go back to follow more people, they will go to your YouTube channel. The hardest part about this is not physically clicking on it. The hardest part about it is the mental aspect in your head of, oh wow, my followers are increasing on Instagram when I'm not doing much work. Oh wow, they're going to my YouTube channel where I'm not doing much work. Oh, all these people are talking to me when I'm not doing much work. And you think you're doing something wrong. And maybe you are doing something wrong. Maybe you should be doing some other form of employment. Maybe you're being some little lazy bastard for doing this. But if it is all you know, then you keep doing that. You keep fighting to be seen. That's what life is you fight to put yourself out there, and you create this stuff, and you hope people see you. You hope to be part of their timeline. You hope them to see your channel and to be what it is. And you've got to network with these people. Eventually, I'm going to share my YouTube channel on Facebook. Why? Because I have 175 Facebook friends that I would like to also go to my YouTube channel. I'm not doing that yet, though. Because before I can share this on Facebook, I have to learn how to network on other platforms. And I need to learn, like, that's Instagram or TikTok or wherever. I need to learn how to network on other platforms before I share this on Facebook. And I find social media overwhelming, but I think it's important that I learn to use this skill, and it's important that I learn how this stuff works. So let me know in the comments below, Do you use Instagram to grow your YouTube channel? How's your Instagram marketing going? Let me know in the comments below. Do you need help with that? Let me know. We talk. You could write me a comment. I'll let you know how I think about this stuff in the comments. But please subscribe to this channel to be part of the community, and please like this video. It really helps the channel out a lot. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.